In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Steam profile. This is going to be your go-to guide for adding a personal touch to your Steam presence, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Steam app. Just double click that familiar icon on your desktop or open it from your applications menu. Once you've got Steam up and running, look towards the top right hand corner of the window where you'll see a login button. Give that a click. If you aren't already signed in, you will need to enter your account credentials here. Input your account name and password into the appropriate fields, and if you're not fond of remembering these, consider using a password manager for easy access in the future. Once your details are entered, go ahead and click on sign in. After logging in, you should land on the Steam homepage. Here, keep an eye out for your profile name, which you'll find in the top right corner. Click on your profile name to reveal a drop-down menu, then click View My Profile from the list of options. Now that you're looking at your profile, there's an Edit Profile button near the top. This is your gateway to customization, so go ahead and click it. Here, you're offered several ways to add your personal flair to your profile. Let's start with your profile name. This is the name that other users will associate with you, so make sure it's unique and memorable, something that captures your personality or interests. Next, you can set up a personalized URL for your profile. This is a neat way to make your profile easier to share with friends, as they can access it directly via a custom link. Let's move on to your biography. A short and engaging bio can let others know a little about who you are as a gamer, or maybe your favorite games and interests. Keep it concise yet full of character. You also have the option to specify your general location. While not mandatory, it can be a fun way to connect with locals or to let your international friends know where you're gaming from. One cool feature is uploading a custom avatar image. Either choose something unique from your computer or select from Steam's array of avatars to visually represent yourself. Finally, Steam offers various themes that can spice up your profile. Select from available options or explore purchasing additional ones to take your profile's appearance up a notch. And that's it. Just a few minutes of your time to fashion a Steam profile that not only gives you a personal touch but also enhances the experience for anyone visiting it. Taking the time to customize your Steam profile adds to the fun, making it a more engaging and personalized space for both you and other users. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.